Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's related to the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the POCO F3 GT versus Oneplus Nord 2 device. Yes friends, finally it's going to happen friends. Let's see which phone will be able to do in terms of the speed test first and in terms of the RAM management better. That is what I'm going to exactly look after in this video. And during this process of demonstration, I'll try to use the 10 mini games. Yes, absolutely 10 games. So which are completely very small games only, but later on I'll try to use another big games as well. Don't worry. I'll try to cover the Battlegrounds Mobile, Call of Duty, Genshin Impact, FIFA, everything. So make sure to stay tuned by subscribing friends. That this test is going to be really very interesting. So managing these 10 games in the background is not an easy task. Yes, absolutely. The processor and even the UI needs to be really optimized to maintain this kind of to load all this kind of 10 games. Let's see during this kind of testing which phone will be able to perform better kind of RAM management and better kind of speed test. Something weird. It took a lot of time for the restarting. I'm not sure why in this Oneplus Nord 2 device, but still a lot of viewers are actually waiting for this kind of speed test comparison friends. So this is my first speed test comparison between both phones. So in the next speed test comparison, I'll try to use different applications and different games as well, heavy games. So that is what I'm going to exactly do it. So both phones are loading, and first phone to boot up is the POCO F3 GT. The GT is going to dominate from the beginning itself. Let's see what's going to happen in this kind of test. And both phones are having the same kind of 8 GB RAM. Yes, during this process of demonstration, both are having the same 8 GB RAM variants only. And it's taking some time to everything to load. Yes, right now it's got completely done. And now let me try to show you the about phone. It feels kind of different friends using this Oneplus Nord 2 device. It doesn't feel like I'm using the Oneplus type of device because of the settings and all the UI. I'm not sure why, but still, as you can see, exactly I'm trying to use 8 GB RAM variants in both models, as you can see friends clearly. So now let me clear everything from the background. So in the background there are no applications and games running at this moment. As you can see here, there's nothing at all. There's no apps and games running, and during this time we doesn't require the Wi-Fi connection. Let us turn on the Wi-Fi connection because these 10 games are completely offline based games only, so it should be kind of okay without even connecting to the Wi-Fi. Let's see which phone can actually open these games faster. That is what I'm going to exactly check. So let's start with the first game, which is a Subway Surf game. Let me try to slightly zoom in the camera so you'll be able to focus properly on this exact both phones. Let me just start with the first game, which is a Subway Surf. Let's see which phone will be able to open faster. So Oneplus Nord or the POCO F3 GT. I think the POCO F3 GT, yes, that's perfectly fine. The POCO F3 GT did open the game faster. Let me just slightly decrease the volume. So yep. My next game is a Candy Crush. Let's see second game, which phone. I think both kind of close to each other, not bad. Next is the Getaway 2. Let's see which phone can actually open this one. Same exactly, not bad. The only thing is that I need to check which RAM management is really good in terms of loading all this kind of 10 games. So it's kind of really heavy task for the UIs as well to manage this kind of 10 games in the background. Only few phones will be able to deal with this kind of 10 games. Let's see, smash it. So well, this phone will be not bad. The POCO F3 GT was able to manage faster in few of the games. If you try to observe closely, as you can see, slightly faster in the POCO F3 GT a little bit. Next game is a Traffic Rider. Let's see this game, which phone can actually open faster. The POCO F3 GT did open slightly faster, not bad. So next is a Hill Climb Racing. Let's see this game. I think both phones are kind of, no, the POCO F3 GT. POCO F3 GT is a winner, as you can see friends, in this game. And next is a Angry Birds 2. In case if you're interested in this kind of speed test results, so don't worry, I did create a separate playlist. So a separate playlist is there. You can check the playlist and you can watch all the videos. And the first phone to open is the POCO F3 GT. That's really great to see friends. POCO F3 GT did a really good job. And next is a Stake Ball. Let's see this game, which phone can actually open faster. I think slightly maybe the POCO F3 GT a little bit, but anyway. So I did open 10 games. 10 games completely in the background in both phones. As you can see, starting from first game, which is Subway Surf, everything is loaded. Everything is loaded in the background, as you can see from completely. Let me just start from the back side of the games. Let's see which phone can keep how many games in the background memory. That is what I'm going to exactly check here. So I did do the same kind of testing in the POCO F3 GT as well before. So if you watch my previous speed test episode, you will definitely understand. So next is the Crossy Road. Let's see this game. Not bad. So 5 games in both phones did open faster, so without even getting refreshed. That's the one thing you should definitely remember, friends. Next is a smash hit. Let's see this game. No, gone. OnePlus Nord did not open. As you can see, this is what happens when the Oxygen UI mixed with the ColorOS. This is what happens, friends. The RAM management is not at all good. I can definitely say that. So it's not great. No, it's not opening. No, friends. So I need to do plenty of testings on this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So this is my initial impressions. This phone was able to only load 5 games. That too mini games. Just only small games. Small games only. I'm not trying even big games. So maybe in the big games, I'm not sure how many games this phone will be able to open. But this is the same situation as the Realme X1 Max. But the Realme X1 Max was slightly better. I think 2 games more the phone did open. But I'll already do the side-by-side comparison anyway. So you'll get to know clear details. As you can see, friends, the Poco F3 GT was able to manage these 10 games perfectly alright, without any kind of issues. So I do know no one will be keeping this kind of 10 games in the background, obviously. But in case if you want to know the RAM management, how it is while using the applications, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. I'll try to do the application test as well by using 15 applications side by side, which we do use every day. For example, normal application, basic, Flipkart, Amazon, Google Chrome, YouTube, using YouTube Music, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, all these applications only. I'll try to do the speed test side by side and the RAM management test. So then we'll be able to know what is the problem with the OnePlus Nord 2. So this should not happen, friends, because in my previous experience with the OnePlus devices, they are really fast and they are really good in the RAM management. Yes, absolutely. And so far the best RAM management UIs which I found out in my channel is the FunTouch UI, which is there in the iQOO. And not only in the iQOO 7, iQOO Z3, iQOO 3, iQOO 7, all the 3 phones, they perform same way, even though all the 3 have different processors, but still because of the RAM management, they do perform really great. As you can see, all the 10 games are completely open in this phone, but when you try to come back again from the back side, it doesn't work. As you can see, friends, in the OnePlus Nord 2, it's not working at all. No, it's not working. So friends, this is a complete review about this Poco F3 GT versus the OnePlus Nord device. I'm really totally disappointed about this OnePlus Nord 2. I did not expect like this to happen in terms of the RAM management, basically. So I need to stress more by using the normal applications. Then we'll be able to understand what is the problem with the normal applications, how well this phone is able to behave in terms of the RAM management. That is what I'll try to focus starting from today, friends. So make sure to stay tuned for those updates. In case if you're planning to buy one of the phone, it will be definitely helpful for you. So in case if you have any other suggestions, what games you want to include, what application you want to include, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to include those in the next testing and I'll try to compare both phones. So the final winner is the Poco F3 GT, which is a clear winner in terms of the speed test. Few games did open faster, and RAM management test, 5 out of 5 points for this Poco F3 GT. No problem at all. That's the final conclusion about this both phones comparison. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and don't forget to check the playlist for more details, and all the links will be available in the description below as well. All the videos try to watch and you'll get the knowledge which phone has got what type of disadvantage. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.